Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Omah. Today we are going to be talking about apps or YouTubers, whether you're small, whether you're big, whether you're medium, whether you are about to start or thinking of starting. These are the apps that you need to have on your mobile phone devices. It's important you have these apps. They will help you scale your YouTube channel, check your analytics, help you change your thumbnails, change your whatever you need to do that you think that you need to do on your system. These videos, or rather these apps, really help you cut out the whole I need to do this on my system, I need to do this and just do it right from your mobile devices. You will thank me for this, I promise you. So ensure you stick around for more. Like, subscribe, share, and yeah, let's get started, guys. Let's get started.
When the beat drop, I'ma get straight to him like, give it to her, give it to her, give it to her.
So yes, guys, we're about to begin, and one of my personal favorites, even if you don't download any other app or device, I want you to download the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is from YouTube, so it helps you look at your file, helps you think of, so if it is almost like a YouTube Studio that is not on your system but on your mobile device, so you can edit your contact information or edit your file on your mobile phone, change thumbnails, add tags, edit your description box or your description bar, anything that you need to do. This particular app helps you do everything that concerns your YouTube page or your YouTube channel. Another one is the YouTube TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an affiliate to YouTube, so it also helps you scale. So I'm going to listen and sharing with you some of the apps I have that have helped me scale my YouTube channel. So you need these apps on your mobile phone, on your mobile devices. It is really important that you download these videos and use them to just help create that content that you need to really drive and increase your subscriber base, your subscriber band, scale your page, scale your channel, optimize your page, everything you need, guys. This video is extensive, so ensure that you have a pen, a paper with you so you don't miss out on any of my nuggets, okay?
Yes, guys, so to begin, we are just going to head on to the YouTube Studio app. I already have it on my phone, so I'm just going to open it straight up. Now, YouTube is mostly available on every mobile device, YouTube and your Gmail. So by having that, you already have the possibility of starting the YouTube channel and uploading your videos. So with the YouTube Studio, as you can see, you can see I have an overview of all the videos that you produced. Look at the analytics, how many viewership it has, how the scoring is. If you have any comments, you can even reply comments. But one of the things I really like is the fact that you can actually change your thumbnails right from the app. If you want to change your thumbnails, if you want to edit your description box or bar, if you want to add tags, put it to a playlist, all of that can be achieved right from your YouTube Studio app. What I used to do before was that I would finish creating my video, upload it to YouTube, then go to a system and start doing your necessary things like writing the description, adding tags and everything. But with the YouTube Studio app, you can actually do that, cut the whole stress and do all you need to do straight from the app. So yeah, this is one of the things I really love about the YouTube Studio app. It is so accessible, it's extremely convenient. Every YouTuber needs to have this. You can add tags, remove tags, whatever you want. So for this particular one, I'm just going to give you a sample how to add a tag right there on YouTube Studio. So you just say, for example, app tips and tricks, and by clicking enter, the tag is created. So we're ready to submit it to delete that. Yeah, so it is really incredible. You can go to advanced settings, change the category you want, allow, there's so many things you can do. So now on TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy also offers the same, if not more, with the Studio app. You can look at, it gives you a real-time update of if anybody is engaging with your post. So if your viewership count changes to highlights in yellow, you know that somebody else recently engaged with your video. With the TubeBuddy free app, you can literally just see what's happening in your video, look at your comments, reply comments, look at your growth, how much growth you have achieved during a particular period of time. It literally just tracks everything for you. You can go to the world logo there and just look at updates or news or information concerning what is happening in the digital landscape. So to me, having your YouTube Studio app and TubeBuddy, by the way, is an affiliate to YouTube, is very, very important for every YouTuber. I don't care if you're a new YouTuber or big or old, you all need to have TubeBuddy and the YouTube Studio app on your mobile devices. No excuses. Next up is, this one is one of my personal favorites. I have done a video on this particular app. It is the Adobe On App. Guys, if you need quality audio system, sound system for your videos or your podcast, whatever, Adobe On is the best. It's still on its early access period. That means it is a really, really new app. It's free to use. It's incredible. It's majorly for musicians, singers, whatever you want. This is the app for them. You can see all of the tracks I have done. You can create a voice note, very, very easy. Oh god, I can't stop screaming about this particular software. It totally reminds me of Anchor for some reason. The only thing is that there are no podcasts, but the sound on this is mad. It's insane. Definitely recommend it. Anybody that has a mobile device, I'm like, you know what, just try. You must have the Adobe On app on your phone. Like, it's very, very important. It cancels noise, any background feedback, anything that is unnecessary, it eliminates it so that only your true voice is heard clearly over any sound system. You can do this by going live. If you want to do a song, you can do this by going live. Oh god. Then you can also change the theme, which is really, really beautiful. You can see all of this beautiful array of colors and themes. Oh god, you guys, I don't know what more to say. If you have Adobe On app, you will conquer. You have like great sound system, like it will be so clear. Every noise will die. All the type of different noises in your background feedback, you will not encounter or face them. It's really, really nice, and you can change them, the type of long bass, lyric, whatever you want. It's incredible. Definitely a huge recommendation to anybody who wants to have good clear voice with their phone. Next up is one of my other favorites, also is the Google Ads app. It is not important to have, but it is good to have, especially if you're going to be running ads with your YouTube videos. It helps you keep track. You cannot create an ad, but you can just keep track and measure what is happening with your ads and how the traction they are gaining. Next again is also Canva. Now we are heading down to design apps that you must definitely have on your mobile device. Canva, everybody talks about Canva. Canva is an incredibly great design software to use. The things that you can design with Canva is unlimited. Like, you think you have it all together, but Canva just shows that, you know what, there's so much more that you can achieve with their app. I am big on Canva, so definitely Canva app for me is important to you. However, my only con with Canva is that it's better you use it on a system than on an app. Another app that you can use in place of Canva for me is the Postal Shopper. Postal Shop is really, really nice. It's really, really good. I have done a video on how to design thumbnails with your mobile device. I'll just drop the link above so you guys can click on it and see it and just see what I have done or the options that I have raised. Postal Shop is really, really incredible. But recently I have discovered this amazing one, the Adobe Spark Post. Adobe Spark Post for me, in my opinion, is way better than Canva, guys. Adobe Spark Post is so versatile. There's so many things that you can do with this Adobe Spark Post that you cannot achieve with the Canva app. Even though the Canva app is great, but I think it works better on a desktop or on a system as opposed to having it on an app. What you can do with the app is very, very limited, but what you can do with the Adobe Spark Post app, guys, it's crazy. I'm going to show you guys an example of what you can literally do, or rather how I do my own thumbnail. This is what I have been using for thumbnails for the past few weeks or months, and it is incredible. My default base is black, so that I'm going to start sharing with you, or the option I'm going to giving you guys. Adobe Spark Post is the app for thumbnails. Like, you don't even need to stress yourself. Don't give yourself too much headache, no too much problem. Just get Adobe Spark Post on your mobile device and you are good to go. Like, straight, you are good to go. No questions asked, no hassle. Oh god. So I'm going to use this particular font. You can have an access to different fonts. You have, okay, so another thing that I love about Adobe Spark Post is if you have colors that you're using with on your design. Maybe if I have already put in several colors on my design, it uses those colors to give me custom colors or recommended colors for fonts to use. Can you imagine? Like, I can have maybe a slight purple here or red here. It's now pull up the colors it feels will work well with my material, guys. That's insane. Like, what? Crazy. Wait, guys, when I started using Adobe Spark, I knew that, you know what, this is the app that I need. Like, I don't necessarily need to start cracking up my brain on what type of color goes with what, or because we are not all perfect or we are not all design gurus. But if an app is able to tell us, okay, these are the particular colors that it feels will work well with our design, then why not? Why not, guys? So if you have a design problem or a design thing, I'll definitely tell you to use Adobe Spark Post. It's I kid you not, I'm praising this particular software till the end of time. It is so good. And the great thing is, another thing I like about it is it's better testing material where you remove background. I didn't even test it here, but I'm going to do a particular video dedicated to Adobe Spark Post. Most of the softwares, or rather apps that I've been showing in this particular video, I'm not going to show you an extensive use of them, but I'm going to just recommend them. In upcoming videos, I'll definitely show you how to edit with some of my video editing tools or apps for mobile phones. Then obviously, of course, Adobe Spark Post. Adobe Spark Post is that design. It is the design. It is the design app for non-designers. Even designers look at it and they bow. It is really good. They really dedicated money, and they understood the audience enough to know, okay, this is what they wanted. These are the needs they want to address, and so on and so forth. So yeah. Next off, this is Panda. Very important app. When I say Video Panda is important, I mean it's important. I've already done a video on why Video Panda is important, and how it reduces files from 5 gig to 100 gig. I'm going to give you like a sample now, a quick sample. So this is a 4.8 gig video file, and I'm going to be compressing it with Video Panda. It's going to still retain the quality of this video, that nothing is lost. So my default compressor tool to use is the medium file. So I'm going to be using this one to compress this file. You definitely have ads here and there, but it's fine. You know, it's fine. It's not that deep. You know, for a free tool, it's fine. But you can get the premium feature one, but that one comes with free, no zero ad, and it is really affordable. It's almost less than $1 or $1 and. So definitely try that. Yeah, so because I've already done this, I'm just going to skip forward. Now, this has reduced my videos from 4.8 to 150 MB. Guys, get this app on your phone. Get it now. Now for KineMaster, I'm moving on to video editing apps. KineMaster, or rather KineMaster, depending on who is saying it, is the most interesting, in my opinion, the best editing tool to use right now. It is the best to use right now. It is very good. I love the interface, and I love how it has this landscape and gamepad way to edit. I'll definitely do a another video dedicated to KineMaster and how to edit with KineMaster. Next off is Power Director. Power Director is also great and it is also amazing. Definitely want to use. It works like KineMaster or KineMaster because of its landscape, but it has more features, has other features. It's not free, but you can definitely get an upgrade, or you can use the free version and have a watermark and have limited creation space. But these apps are really great. Another favorite of mine again has to be Adobe Rush. You guys already heard Adobe Spark. Adobe Rush is incredible, is great. One thing that I know that Adobe Rush has over KineMaster is the fact that it actually compresses your video. So when I create videos on KineMaster, it comes out at 5 gig or 10. Sorry, at 5 gig. With Rush, it comes out at a very humble 500 MB. So you don't have that stress of having like bulky produced materials. No, Rush is really good. It's really nice to use. The only problem I have with Rush is the fact that it is in portrait style, rather it's vertical, and I struggle to use something in vertical. I would rather use something that is in landscape style. So yeah, these are my apps to definitely try. Please download them, tell me what you think about them.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Ensure that you like, subscribe, and share. There's somebody in your circle that definitely needs this video, so don't be a hoarder of information. Ensure you share this information with somebody that's important to you, or somebody in your circle. Somebody needs this video. You know, somebody does need this video, so share it. Like, subscribe, share, like, subscribe, and share. My name is Omah. You can hit me up on social media at Omah Speaks. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, I think. In Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. I'm actually Omah Speaks. Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, I think. I haven't done anything on TikTok. Oh yeah. So if you have anything that you want to do, share here, okay? Then we can be buddies. Thank you guys for watching. Creating this series has been explosive. Thank you guys for sticking around. For every view I got on this page, and for every comment, thank you guys for going out of your way to leave a comment, a like, a subscription, and and sharing with your friends and family. It means a lot to me. So till next week, till I come away with more videos. Stay blessed, less stressed. I love you guys too much. Bye.